Come into the Den of Monsters.
Greetings, and welcome to the Den of Monsters. For those of you new to the channel, welcome. I'm your host, Slifer Strong Dragon. First of all, happy Halloween, and thank you all for joining me in this Halloween special that I put together. Hope you're okay with the setup. Let's get some more lighting here. That's more like it. Anyway, so in this Halloween special, I figured we do a traditional Den of Monsters mask unboxing. So, without further ado, let me get the package. Here it is, the box. Let's open this sucker. This is a package from Distortions Unlimited, well known for their animatronics, masks, and other stuff. All high quality stuff. And I've been wanting this mask for a while. Now I can finally have it in my collection. So, here goes. You guys ready for this? Oh, yeah, here it is. Let's remove it from its packaging. Wow. The minute I opened this box, it has this like sweet smell. Looks like there's a little catalog. I'll get to this later. For now, I'm getting rid of the box. Here we have the mini vamp mask. Basically, a little vampire mask, almost Nosferatu looking. I wanted it so badly because it had like this, it gave me this like a Halloween vintage vibe. And god damn it, it's a vampire. How can you not love it? So it comes in two different colors. The texture feels amazing. The paint job is really awesome. So this is basically based off of the Little Vamp mask that from the early days, and also the band Mushroomhead used to wear these at one point. Anyway, but isn't that cool? Anyway, let me show you something else before we move on. So I thought I'd show you briefly my other mask that I received as an anniversary gift last year from my wife. This AJ Good mask, also from Distortions Unlimited. So far, they haven't let me down in terms of mask quality. I've had this one for a year and it's still in good shape. And it still has that sweet smell from last year's unboxing. If for those of you who've been with the channel long enough, you guys remember the unboxing for this guy. So when I bought this mask, it went with a catalog. Also, this is the information in the back of the catalog. I don't know how well you guys can see, but anyway.
Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
But getting back to the mask, I love it. I will treasure this, and I thank all the hard workers and the creator for this awesome mask. And I will treasure this always, and it's gonna have a happy home here in the Den of Monsters. If you guys want one, I'll make sure to leave a link down below so you can grab one. These things are going fast. These things are hot and they're going fast. So get them while you can. Anyway, so I just wanted to thank you all for joining us in this Halloween special, my favorite time of the year. I hope you enjoy this day and eat lots of candy, stay safe, dress up, have fun. So this is where I make the closing of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave this video a like, subscribe, comment, and as always, stay tuned and stay metal. Happy Halloween.